Cannabis sativa, Alinsky notes, hemp, urticaceae. Sensation as of drops of water falling on or from single parts on the head from the anus, stomach, heart. Obstinate constipation causing retention of the urine, constriction of anus. Contraction of fingers after a sprain, dislocation of patella on going upstairs, dyspnea or asthma where the patient can only breathe by standing up. Choking in swallowing, things go down the wrong way. Acute inflammatory stage of gonorrhea. Urethra very sensitive to touch or pressure, cannot walk with legs close together, it hurts the urethra. Pain extending from orifice of urethra backward, burning, biting, posteriorly, more sticking while urinating. Tearing pains along urethra in a zigzag direction. Relations similar to Cantharis capsicum, Gelsemium petrose in early stages of specific urethritis. Cannabis sativa, Boric materia medica, hemp. Seems to affect specially the urinary, sexual and respiratory organs. It has characteristic sensations as of dropping water. Great fatigue as from overexertion, weary after meals, choking in swallowing, things go down the wrong way, stuttering, confusion of thought and speech, wavering speech, hasty, incoherent, head, lectophobia, vertigo, sensation of dropping water on head, pressure on root of nose, eyes, opacity of cornea, cataract from nervous disturbances, abuse of alcohol and tobacco, patient feels deeply approaching blindness. Misty sight, pressure from back of eyes forward, gonorrheal ophthalmia, eyeballs ache, scrofulous eye troubles. Urine retained with obstinate constipation, painful urging, micturition in split stream. Stitches in urethra, inflamed sensation with soreness to touch, burning while urinating, extending to bladder. Urine scalding with spasmodic closure of sphincter. Gonorrhea, acute stage, urethra very sensitive. Walks with legs apart, dragging in testicles, zigzag pain along urethra, sexual overexcitement, urethral caruncle, stoppage of urethra by mucus and pus. Female, amenorrhea when physical powers have been overtaxed, also with constipation. Respiratory, oppression of breathing and palpitation, must stand up, weight on chest, rattling, wheezing, breathing, cough with green viscid, also bloody expectoration. Heart, sensation as if drops were falling from the heart, painful strokes and tension with palpitation, pericarditis. Sleep, frightful dreams, more tired in morning, sleepy during day. Extremities, contraction of fingers after a sprain, dislocation of patella on going upstairs, feet feel heavy on going upstairs, paralytic tearing pains, affections of the ball of the foot and under part of toes. Modalities, worse lying down, going upstairs. Relationship, antidotes, camphor, lemon juice. Compare Cantharis apis, Copaiba, Thuja, Kali nitricum. Dose, tincture to third attenuation in stuttering the 30th.